Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from all the content that we are posting on our channel. So this video is about Bitcoin, and we will see what Bitcoin is doing right now. What are the positive impacts on the of the Friday news, and today is Sunday, and how market is reacting. What are the future prospects of the Bitcoin? So are we in all bullish stage now, or are we still in that consolidation phase, or is there a possibility of another low that we can, that we can see in coming days? All right. So first of all, let's begin this analysis, and I will tell you that we see that market is at you know hit the made a new lows, and after that we are looking at, we are getting a good picture out of it. But right now everyone was worried for, like, market is going to crash more if the rates are not going to cut, and we do not have any positive news from the economy. But right now on the Friday we had a good news, and you see this big green candle, and this was actually from Friday. All right, and market has respected the news, and market has welcomed in a good manner, and you can see the result and output of that. So market now. So before we move on, guys, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so you can get all the latest updates. And I will tell you why you should press the bell icon, so you can actually make a lot of profits in your trades. All right. So right now, Bitcoin is has flipped an important zone. Exactly an important zone. You see, this green zone is very important and has a very acting as a good point. So this is important, right? So I'll just undo this, and right now Bitcoin is actually above this level. All right, and it is actually, if I go and zoom in, so see this, it has actually flipped the level, tested it, and now it can it can start moving higher, start rising higher. All right, we also have a good news from the market, so there is a possibility of good scenes, good bullish moves in the coming days. But you should, as a trader, you should be ready for everything. All right, so what we think that Bitcoin can do in coming days. Now, Bitcoin from here, we expect, like, a little further test of this can happen, of this zone, and after that we are going to hit this actually this resistance, the upper resistance of this channel that you see here. All right, this is in front of you, complete picture. So this channel is in front of you, and you can see we are hoping that it can hit the upper side resistance from here after a little retest, and it can hit the upside resistance. And this is a very big liquidity pool resting upside here. All right, we cannot ignore this, no one can ignore this. And once it actually flips this and we go into this zone, we will go into this zone, take a little liquidity, and we can actually make, during this we can actually make a new all-time high as well during this activity. And from there we can come and hit this zone as a support once again. All right, so this is the first and foremost expectation from our side, that market is going to rise, and after taking this, then we expect to that market can take this zone right here. All right, there is another scenario which we should, as a trader, you should have all the scenarios present in front of you, and you should be very careful. So if this level doesn't hold, and we go and come down, so we can actually test this level here. You can see, so this can be a good point to re-enter again. Right, from here we can re-enter, and then we will flip this support. After this we are going to actually flip this upside resistance as well and take this liquidity at that point. But this is important. This is important. You should be ready for both of this. But what we expect from the CryptoCity perspective, we are telling you that it's going to test this zone and it will start rise. Take this, flip this, take this liquidity, and during this activity, after this activity, it can make a new all-time high, and then it is going to test this support once again. So what will happen if we break actually this one? So we are continuously making new lower highs. All right, so lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We are in the bigger picture. This is what is happening exactly. So you should know, you should be careful about this. Oh no, I'm not going to delete this one. Okay, let me clear this in the smaller window. Wait a minute, daily. Alright, let me just clear this out, the extra. Okay, so here we go. And let's see. Let's move to the next scenario. Not going to delete this. Alright, sorry for this delay. Let's see in the bigger picture. So in the weekly. So in the weekly, we are, it looks like very clearly that it is going to flip and hit the zone, test the, going to get this into this liquidity zone and then come back and start rising higher from here. All right, this is what our structure, our analysis predicts, and let's see what will happen. So the lower lows, lower high game. So this is very clearly evident in this chart. All right, let's see the Bitcoin dominance before we just close this. So give it a little eye to this. All right, so Bitcoin dominance, we were telling you in our previous videos, this level was very important, 54%. And if this level holds, we were expecting that it's going to test the the level which is present in the green upside, which I'm just marking here. All right, so this was the level which we expecting that the market can hit, and what we are expecting now, that after entering into this level previously, when it has hit this zone, the market has actually, the dominance has actually gone down to 54%. Now it is inside this zone, and we are expecting that right now the dominance has two resistances, this channel resistance and this zone resistance. So we are hoping and we expect that it is actually going to come down to this level. All right, and this will be a very good chance in your alts to make good money. Be ready and be prepared for this. So this is what we expect, what we see in the what we actually see in the dominance, and let's see the total 3. And before I tell you something from the total 3, let me show you something. Alright guys, we are in the CryptoCity website, and as you can see, this article was published as a newsletter on June 19, and see this one, see this line, and dropping to the 480 billion region, green, and testing the weekly moving average 200 and then bouncing from there. All right, let's jump onto this and see how beautifully it has tested this zone, which we actually have predicted. It has come down to 468. We have said in the article that it can come down to 480. All right, and what was the picture at that time? So this was the picture at the time. The market was currently at 601 billion. All right, and we said that it can come down to this zone and test this. So just analyze that you were at this point, and not this one, actually this one. All right, so you were at this point here, and you already know that market can drop, market can drop to this level, and this is the total 3 means all the alts. All right, and except ETH. All right, so what you can do what you can do, guys. So this is when you have, if you, at this point you have entered in the market, you have definitely made good money. And we are, this is right now 34.11%. This actually means something huge. If you go to any alts, you can actually check what happened after. We are in the weekly chart right now. So 5 August, from 5 August till 24, what is today, 25th of August, what has happened into the market. So you could actually make good money if you follow these things properly and follow these analysis properly. So be prepared, and let's see what we expect next. So it is already at an important, this is already at an important point, and we think that it can definitely hit this upside resistance, and after this it can come down to this level, or if everything goes good, then it can actually flip this as we expect, that it can actually go and flip this resistance and then start rising higher to hit this zone actually. And this could be a point as well where it can do a little resistance, a little, a little reversal from here, but this is the zone that we expect it will hit ultimately. And because the market, we are hoping that it will rise good. All right, so the other scenario could be, it could, if it fails, then it would come down to this zone and definitely hit the lower resistance, and then start rising higher if the Bitcoin doesn't hold that important zone that we have just discussed. All right, we will conclude our video here. You can join our Discord. Let me just show you a little glimpse of all the success that we have made in this. All right, we are in the success section, and you can see how much big is the day of this one. All the TPs. So 24 August was a big day, and we have made huge profits. And such a good day, we have made good profits in this day, and market was actually giving us a good opportunity, and we were exposing them. We were getting 100% benefit of that. And it's not just 24, it is, you can see this one, how huge, how large is this. 23rd of August as well, we have bundle of trades hitting and setting good pace as well. All right, so you can actually join our Discord and see all the success. Right now, when you're a free member, you cannot see the details, but if you are a proper member, then you can actually click on anyone, and you can see, for example, this one. So you can come and see the proper details of all the trades that we have hit successfully. So the link, if I show you, we have a TP2 hit, and after that there is a link on which we have this one. Yeah, no, not this one, this was Adam. And for the link, here you go. All right, we have hit the proper TP, all the TP is hit, and we had a good success in this as well. So there are multiple things. Just click on the trade, see the trade, and when you become a member, or you can just go ahead and see all the active trades we are having right now, and you can take benefit of that as well. All right, thank you very much, guys, for your time. We'll see you in the next video. Join us and subscribe our channel. This is a brilliant community. Thank you very much.